Yep. I think everybody knows my name, correct? Yeah, I will give the few introduction of myself. My name is
Okay.
Chalapat Reddy. I have total 13 years of experience in performance testing using load runner. This class is purely on performance testing, using the load runner and JMeter. I will explain the performance end-to-end performance testing as well as load runner tool. And one more faculty will come. His name is Nagaraju. He will come and he will explain he will take the span of time of 2 weeks and he will explain the JMeter. Overall, like we are focusing on overall here, JMeter and load runner. What is JMeter? What is load runner? We'll explain clearly today's class. I will give the performance introduction and testing introduction. Why we are using? What is the benefits? Is there? These all of things. Okay. Then yeah, today's class is overall. It's considered as a demo. What is the use of this performance testing? Babu, who are not talking? Go for mute, please. I will give the, do not on the webcams. Hello. Who all are not talking? Go for mute. Otherwise, unmuting is unmuting every time. Who all are not talking? Go for mute, please. Already I am recording. Don't worry. Somebody is asking, please give me the access for record class, sir. Already I'm doing the recording. I will share you the recording. Don't worry. Once the class is done, HR will share you the recording section to you. I will give your questions, whatever you have after the class. I will give the 10 to 15 minutes. You can ask the questions. Okay. Is it fine? Yep. Now I'm starting the what is mean by testing? Where we need to start the testing? Suppose any application, for example, any website, okay, they need to develop the application, then it comes for the testing. Why we need to do the testing? Like we need to give the quality of the product to the client, like without bugs. For example, I will give the simple example here. For example, you are transferring to money to me, your account only 5,000 is there. You are trying to do the transaction for the 10,000, for example. Then application is allowed, is transferred the 10,000. That is correct way to do it. But your account is there only 5,000. Is the correct way? No. Like suppose you need to show the message for the insufficient fund in your bank, correct? That is all are comes under the so that functionality is not correct. That means to say you don't have amount also, but still it's sending the it's sent the amount. You got the successful message. That means to say this is the correct behavior for that application. No, correct? As expected, it's working fine. No, correct? Then that is the reason we'll go for the testing all types of, like I'm giving a simple example, like all the testings, test we need to do as expected for the client. We need to fix all the bugs and we need to submit to the client. This is all are comes under the manual testing. Okay. Testing is two types, like functional testing and non-functional testing. Here, functional testing means here you can see, I will share my desktop now. Okay. Uh, Wait. Once you're able to see, please let me know. Are you able to see my notepad?
Yeah, you are able to see.
Okay, super. See, here testing is two types. What is mean by testing? Okay, everybody give the answer, please. Anybody? Why we need to go for the testing? Tell me the general answer, please.
To find out the bugs in a software or application.
Okay, to
We
find
can
out
test
the bugs.
bugs.
Okay. Why we need to find out the bugs?
So
Suppose
that the
it is
applications
showing
will
a
not crash.
Application will not crash. That mean to say,
In a safe zone. On testing, we can keep our applications in a safe zone.
anybody please? Why we need to identify the bugs? Why we need to fix the bugs?
We need to see how it will work.
Yep. See here, yeah,
we
correct.
need- Yeah, we need to find every functionality of a application, how it is working, like how it is behaving, everything. Then only we will get the good software output, right?
Yes, correct. Super. See, we have two types of testing. One is the functional testing, another one is the non-functional testing. Here, our course will start here, non-functional testing. But we need to focus on the first functional testing. What is the functional testing? We need to understand. Then we need to go for the non-functional testing. Here, functional testing. Functional testing means, suppose, for example, you went for the shop. You need to buy for the product for the shirt or pant, something like that. How we can buy? What qualities you look into that? Anybody give the answer, please?
Cloth will be good or not.
Yes.
It will be fitting for us or not.
Okay.
Like checking.
Okay. Next. Anybody, please?
Come again, question please, sir. Come again,
No,
sir.
you went for the shop. Okay, you need to buy for the shirt. So many shirts are there in that shop.
Like quality, color, everything we need to check. And
Compatible.
we will buy.
Compatibility.
Compatibility.
Yes,
These all things.
The
will
size of
check.
fitting,
Yeah.
quality.
Yeah,
fabric.
yeah. These all things. That means to say, you are liking the product. Customer will like the product, then only they will buy. Otherwise, they will not buy. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Here also, coming to the software of the application, as expected, it's working fine or not, we need to check it. Suppose you order the, for example, in the Flipkart is the software application or not? Yes. Suppose
sir.
you order the iPad, Samsung mobile, it's came. Did you agree?
No.
No.
No, that is because of not delivery
Requirement.
mistake. Some software mistake is there. Their database, they're showing, you can check your order in once you order your order, after you went to the order, you are checking your order, it's showing the Samsung mobile. But whenever you are booking, is there in the iPad? Are you accept that one? No.
Not accept.
That is
No.
not a functionality, is not correct. Correct. These all things, these all the ways, the functional testing, the functional guys. Who are the functional guys? Manual testing guys. Hello? Manual people. Manual testing. They will call it as a manual function. Manual testers in the office. They all are the manual testers. They will check the functionality of the application as expected it's working or not. That is called it as a functional testing. That is called it as a functional testing. Here, functional testing, it will come under the 2 points. One is a manual testing. Manual testing. Babu, who all are not talking, go for mute, please. Hello. Vijay Bhaskar, go for mute. I will give the time to ask the questions. Don't worry. Okay. One is the manual testing, another one is the automation testing. These all are comes under the functional testing. What is automation testing? I will tell you later. Okay. Now, how the application will work, I will explain for it. Okay, how the application will work. Okay, could you please give me the answers, whatever I am asking the question. Okay. Now, I have an application. I have a, suppose I have a Flipkart application only. In the Flipkart application, how it will work? That means to say, what is required to develop the Flipkart application? That means to say, developers is required to develop the application, correct? That means to say C or .NET or something else. We need to prepare that one. Okay, prepare the code based on the logics. They develop the application. Once they develop the application, they will deploy that code into the somewhere, correct? Where they will deploy that code? Anybody any idea?
Storage.
Storage. Super. Anybody?
Server,
Sorry.
server, sir.
Server. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, super. That is correct answer. Okay. They will deploy the code into the servers. What are the types of servers are there? How the application will work? The basic application, any application. What are the servers are required? Okay. Which server is required to what they will do the server? Which server, what logics they will implement? We'll discuss that one. Okay. Now we have a here. We have a web server and application server.
Database server.
Sorry.
Database.
Wait. Application server and
Database.
database server. Consider this is your laptop. Okay. That request goes to the, this is the web server. And that request will goes to the application server. And that request is goes to the database. Database server. Consider this is your web server, application server, and database. You are here, and you are triggering the request to the internet. Okay. Then that request will go to the web server and application server and database server, and it will process your request. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Page is not visible.
Sorry.
Page is not visible.
Page is not visible.
Oh, okay.
We are seeing only
Excel
notepad-
sheet is
notepad
showing.
documents. Yeah.
Notepad is showing.
Okay.
Is
Thank
a
you.
notepad.
It's showing in notepad.
Wait.
Yeah, only notepad.
Directly share the screen. Are you able to see?
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah, now we can.
Here you are here. Okay. You are sending the request to the, for example, www.flipkart.com. You send the request to, you type it into your Google Chrome. and it will went to the web server. Web server, it will process to the application server. Application server, it will process to the database server. Same thing, database will send the request to the application server. Application server to web server. Application server to web server, and it will reach to the your laptop. What is the use of web server? What is the use of application server? And what is the use of database server? Anybody give me the idea, please? Any application, the three servers are the mandatory server to process the request. Sorry.
Sir, for web servers, it is like a initialization, like whatever we require, we'll just log in into the web servers. And the application server is for logical applications, sir. And database is like to collect the data and some queries or something like that.
Anybody give the answer, please? Hello.
Web server identifies that what we are looking for, and it directs to that application server, and it restores the data, especially which is allocated to that web.
Okay.
What separate is looking for different candidates, and it reverts back to the screen, to the customer. I mean, like to the person.
Okay. Okay. Anybody, please? Hello.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm able to hear.
Yes, sir. The thing is, web servers are for initialization, sir.
Yeah. Already you told me, I'm given the opportunity to others.
Okay, okay, sir.
Protocols will access information through URLs. It will go to application layer. Their code logic will be there. So if application server having a proper information about the to know proper information about the user, it will access the database server. Whether this guy is having proper information with as they mentioned. If it is there, the database server will show like it will. These commands will accessible through some protocols. Like from web server to application layer, there will be API protocols in API language. From application server to database server, there will be query language. So through that they will communicate.
Okay. Anybody, please? Why I am asking the questions? Okay. We are the performance testers. Performance testers will not do the functional testing. We need to do the server side testing. That means to say we are putting the load onto the application. How the servers are behaving, we need to check it. How the request is going and response is coming, we need to clearly understand this topic. Then only we'll understand the performance testing. Otherwise, we'll not able to understand. That is the reason I'm explaining this one. Any application, you are processing the request. Okay, web server, application server, databases, servers are required. Web server, I will explain now. Web server, what will do, you know, once developed the code, their developers, they will install that code into that servers like web server, application server, as well as database server. Environment, that means to say server management guys, we'll call it as a environment managers. This whole thing is environment. They will call it as environment. That environment managers and environment team, they will give the proper connections to the web server to application server to the database. Suppose without connection, your application will not process. Your application will not process. That means to say all the server connection need to be proper. What the web server will do, what the application server will do, what the database server will do. Like web server, whenever you send the request to the, like your laptop, it will go to the internet and it will convert to the like DNS IP. That means to say, suppose you type the flipkart.com. Now you are getting the Amazon homepage. That is correct way? No, that is totally wrong. That means to say that www is there now, World Wide Web. They will give the every application, they will give the unique IP address. That means to say that Flipkart, it will convert it into that particular IP. That IP, it will hit into the like Flipkart server. Suppose that Flipkart server is there into the Bombay. All the servers is my data center is there into the Bombay. Our request, it will go to the Bombay, that particular server, and web server, it will give the like your home page. Once you get the home page, then you are logged into that application, correct? You are logged into that application. Then it will go to the once again the web server. Web server don't have information to log in is correct or not. Then it will go to the application server. I don't have information. I'm sending the request to the application server. Application server, very intelligent server. Then it will send to the request to the database. That database username correct or not. Then the database is replied back. For example, it's a correct. Application server, it will think logically and will give the successful login page to the customer. Okay, that means to say here you can see here this example. Like web server, only static content will be there, and application server, like all the logics will be there. Everything. Who developed the logics? The developer is developed the logics. All the logics is implemented in a application server. Database server, that means to say it will store the information into the that username, password, or your account, or your orders, everything it will store into the database. See, this is the highlighted features for the web server, application
Sir,
server.
please excuse me. We are not able to see that what you are explaining.
Okay. Three-tier architecture diagram, are you able to see?
Yes, I can see that.
Yeah, that one only I'm explaining. Apart that, nothing.
Okay.
See, ma'am, my intention is like basically here, what I mean to convey to here, how the web server will work, how the application server will work, how the database main objective of database, main objective of application server, main objective of web server. Web server, it contains static pages. That means to say only home pages. It will send the request, first request, and it will get the response from the web server. Application server is a very intelligent server. Why means the developer is made for that very intelligent. He deployed the code, whatever he did the like code, Java, .NET, they deployed all the logics into that application server. Database server, it will store the information. I will give the one more example here. You have a, for example, taking the ICICI Bank account. www.icicibank.com, you will get the home page, correct? That information, web server, it will give that information. It will not go to the database and it will not get the that information. It will not go to the request to the database. Whenever you log into that application, then that application, that request, particular request, whatever you are going to, you will click on the login. Then what happened, you know, it will go to the web server and web server to the application server to the database server. In the database, it will give that username password is correct or not. It will send to the information to the application server. Yes, this is correct. Username password is correct. Application server is a very intelligent server. Then it will send that guy to that means to say login page. Successfully, you are login. You are able to see your home page. Once you got the home page, you are trying to do the transaction. You are trying to do the transaction. What I mean to say here, please carefully listen. In my account, I have only 5,000. I'm trying to send the 10,000 rupees. Then that request will go to the database. It will check how much amount is this guy account is there. Only 5,000. But you are trying to send how much? 10,000. That means to say, database will say, you will send the application server, hey, this guy don't have that amount. Like that, it will inform to the application server. Application server is a very logically it will think, it will throw the error to the customer. Like what error it will throw? You don't have a sufficient funds in your account and send this request to the it will not able to do the 10,000. It will send the insufficient fund in your account. Who is throwing the error? Application server is throwing the error. That means to say, application server is a very intelligent server. Application server is the very intelligent server. That developer is making for that intelligence for that particular server. Database, it will store that information. That's it. Did you understand what is the main objective of web server, application server, and database server? Do you have any doubts up to here?
No.
It's clear? Everybody?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, fine. Next thing is, like whenever you send the request to the web server it need to process to the application server, correct? Which language this both will talk? Like we are talking in English or Telugu, correct? Which language it will communicate? Kishore Kumar, off the video.
Binary language, sir.
Binary language.
Kishore
Binary
Kumar.
code.
Okay, fine. Yep, binary language. Anybody? No. They will, yeah, they will, yes. They will communicate with the web services. Web services means these are APIs, REST API and SOAP API. Using these two, okay, web server to application server will talk. Web server it will convert that particular request into the APIs, and then only application server able to understand. Otherwise, application server not able to understand. Then application server to the database, which language it will talk?
This database, right? Then it is query language.
Yeah, it's the query language. You know the what I'm going to say, SQL. Then you can see the few of the queries, select star table from where we are using, correct? Like that, whatever the request is there, then like that it will convert and it will execute in the database. Whatever the data is required, that data it will send to the application server. That application server it will process to the web server. Web server it will give it to the your what I mean to say your browser. Did you understand how the application will work? Without servers, your application will not work. Any application without servers, it will not work. Do you have any questions up to here?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you come again with client? That means web server and application server language.
1 second, man.
What the language between application server and the web server, sir?
That is a REST, sorry, APIs, ma. Hello? That
Ah,
means
yes,
web
sir.
services. Web services. Web services is the two types. Okay,
Okay,
one
sir.
is the REST APIs and SOAP APIs.
Sir, API means?
Application program interface.
Okay, okay, sir. REST API and SOAP API.
SOAP. Yeah, SOAP request and REST request will be there.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Apart that, please. Any questions, ma? No? Okay, fine. Now we'll go for the what is non-functional testing? What is non-functional testing? What we'll do in the did you understand what is functional testing, correct? Functional testing means functionality is working fine or not. Suppose the functionality is everything is working fine, then we'll go for the non-functional testing. What is non-functional testing? How we are doing the non-functional testing? Okay, what is the examples of non-functional testing? Non-functional testing, it will come under the two testings here. One is the performance testing, another one is the security testing. Security testing. What is meant by our course will start on the performance testing. What is meant by performance testing? How we are doing the performance testing? What is the benefits of their doing the performance testing? Okay, what are the what are the types of performance testings will be there? Okay, we'll clearly what I mean to say discuss in the this today's class for the performance testing for the types and introduction of the performance testing and everything we need to discuss now. Okay, tell me what is meant by performance in with respect of human being. Me performance నేను check చేయాలి అంటే what I need to do. For example, in study, I explained the class for performance testing. Then I need to check your performance. Performance of in performance testing. What I need to do? I need to conduct the interview or I need to conduct the exam. Then I need to see your performance. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Suppose, for example, that is a human behavior. For example, with respect of weight, suppose I'm given the 10 kgs to you, how many kilometers you can travel? How many kilometers you can travel in the with carrying the 10 kgs of weight? Then I will see the, suppose I'm conducting the 10 persons for the same what I mean to say, same game. Who will win? That means to say who did the fast, that person only winner, correct? That person only is the winner, correct? Then coming to the, for example, vehicle, coming to the vehicle, for example, I have a lorry. In the lorry, with respect of weight, I have a different companies lorries I have. Okay, like Ashok, like different lorries I have. I'm given the every lorry for the 10 tons. Okay, I started the lorries for example, all the 10 lorries. Then what is the who will we reach at the exact time and who will be reach in the what I meant to say in time. Okay, we need to check it. That is the performance of that lorries. For example,
who will maintain speed, they will reach.
Yes. Suppose, for example, I'm increasing the load. That means to say, I have only one lorry. I did the first 4 tons. Then I reached it in, for example, in 1 hour, I reached only 40 kilometers. Did you understand? Then I increased to the 10 tons. Now I have reached for the only 20 kilometers. Now I increased to the 15 tons. I have reached only 10. Now I have reached to the 50 tons. Lorry will not move also, correct? Too much load. Because of too much load, lorry will move, it will not move also. For example, I will give the 200 kilos to you.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం లైక్ టూ కూడా తెలియలేకపోయాడు అనుకో.
Sorry. Okay. Suppose I'm giving the 200 kilos to you and start walking. Okay. Then it's possible to do it? No. You are not able to walk also. You are not able to lift also. Maybe. Correct? Yes or no? That is your performance. With respect of weight, with respect of studies, with respect of the course, with respect of different. We have a goal. That goal will reach. The performance is good. Suppose we don't, you are not able to reach that goal. That means the performance is poor. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then, like that, we have a software application. We have a software application. In the software application, how we can check the performance of that application? How we can check? Here. Where is the load here?
Number of users.
Number of users, correct. Number of
Users.
Suppose, for example, take the application of Flipkart. In Big Millennium Day, at least minimum 2 crore people they hitting the server. Yes or no?
Yes,
That
Yes,
means to say more load will be happen to that application at particular time. Correct?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Who all are not talking? Go for mute, please. Okay. Now, here, whenever they did that much of load, for example, I'm telling the benefits of performance testing here. Please concentrate. In the Flipkart, one of the mobile, for example, iPad only, we are getting the only 5,000 rupees. But the actual cost is 25,000. That is a Big Millennium Day offer. Everybody trying to book that product. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But here, suppose somebody will, suppose you, whenever somebody is clicking the ad in the cart, they are getting the error. Somebody final page, payment page, they are getting the error. And somebody order is not generated. That means to say, different of types of problems user is facing. No one can book that product. You tried 1 hour. Same offer is there into Amazon. You will go for the Amazon or not? That means to say you are able to book the product there. Where? In Amazon. Hello? In Amazon. You are
Yes,
able
sir.
to book the product. Here, because of your performance that application, you are not able to book that product in Flipkart. Poor performance of the application. They lost the money or not? Who? Flipkart guys.
Flipkart.
Some billion loss will happen because of performance. Because of performance, low performance. Did you understand what is like so many advantages is there? Like not, I'm giving the simple example here. Because of the performance, so many. Suppose, for example, I will give the one more example here. You have a HDFC account. You got the salary. You got the salary in your account on 31st. You are trying to transfer the amount to your friend. Whole day you tried, but you failed. Because of
Server issue.
everybody is trying first. See, Everybody got the salary on 31st. Everybody need to do the some transaction in the 1st or 31st. Yes or no? More load will be happen between 1st to 10 only, correct? You tried, but you are not able to success the transaction in the SDFC. Next day also you tried, but still you are facing the problem. Next month, what will do? You will change your account number to ICICI. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, they
Yes,
are
sir.
losing the business. They are losing the business because of what? Poor performance of the application. Poor performance of the application. See, huge business loss will happen. Suppose you are not doing the performance testing, okay, that these all the types of problems before going to the production. Production means live application. Suppose the Flipkart, they are announcing the Big Billions Day, for example, next year. They knows how many users will hit the application approximately. For example, 3 crores. They will test the application with the 4 crores before only. Before going to the conducting the Big Billion Day, they have already tested for the 4 crore peoples. Okay. Then how the application is behaving, you're not able to book the product or not. Suppose any problems will there, they will fix before going to the production. Then only they will release to the production. Okay. Who are doing the performance testing? Performance test engineers doing the performance testing. Who all are the performance testers? Well, all are the performance testers. Sorry. Now here, see, load. Load means number of users. Somebody already told, correct? 4 crore peoples. 1 second, mom, please. Okay, ma. Sorry. Where are we? Hello. Yeah. Sorry. Ma, who all are not talking, go for mute, please. Okay, ma. Now, suppose You told user load is the year weight, correct? Now, how we can test the like 4 crore users to Flipkart? I need the 4 crores laptops and 4 crores manpower. Correct? Yes or no? Sending the request to the 2 servers. Yes? Able to hear or not, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That means to say, is it possible to do it? No,
No, it's not.
No.
No, sir.
not possible to do it. That is the reason performance testing tools is comes to the picture. Okay. The tools names is the popular tools is the one tool is the load runner. One of the tool is the performance tool is the JMeter. Load runner is the licensed tool and JMeter is the open source tool. These 2 tools are the very popular tools. What they will do, you know, whatever the end user will do the actions. Suppose you are booking the iPhone, I am booking the some clothes, somebody is booking the something else. Like that, it will mimic the like end user. Whatever the end user doing the activity, the load runner and JMeter will do, it will generate the load from the server, the application, to the application. That time, how the application is performing. You are able to book a product or not. You are getting any errors or not. Or something else. Suppose I'm putting the more load onto the application here. Which things will impact? That means to say, what component it will impact? Here, for example, lorry is there, or human being is there. Okay. I'm putting weight onto the more onto the vehicle. Which part will impact? ఏ part impact అవుతుందా అడుగుతున్నా. Which part?
Engine, sir.
Engine. Hello?
Engine, sir.
Engine, correct. Where is the engine in our software application? Where it is? ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఇంజిన్? Servers. Yeah. Whenever you can monitor the server. Server means nothing but your laptop, man. Nothing is there. There also, suppose you have a phone, Android phone. Okay. Whenever you putting the Android software, it will act as an Android. Whenever you put in the iOS, it will act as an Apple. Whenever you put in the Windows software, it will act as a Windows. Their internal component is the motherboard, RAM and ROM. That's it. Remaining based on the software, it will act as your application. It will support your applications. Yes or no? Yes. Servers means nothing but your laptop. But configuration will be more and they will install the software, application server software in that laptop. That's it. Suppose my laptop need to act as a DB server. For example, I need to install the DB software. I need to my laptop need to act as a, for example, application server. Application server software I need to install into the application server. For example, I need to install the web server. Web server software I need to install into my laptop. It will act as a web server, application server, and database server. Okay. No need to confuse. Server means something else, something else. Nothing is there, man. Okay. It's your laptop. Your laptop, what is there in the components? Same components is there into the server. But software is different. Software is different. That's it. See, whenever you putting the load onto the application, that means to say performance testing tools will generate the load and put into the application. and we can see the performance of the application. How much speed? How much speed coming from the login page? Okay, how much speed coming from the payment page? Suppose your payment page is failed or it's passed. Work user kadama, you will not test it for the single user here. You are testing the some course of users. That time how the application is behaving, you are checking. In that time, suppose I told correct before only, I have some SLA. I need to reach my goal, correct? 4,000 users, 4 users. Then what is my goal? Somebody is sleeping or what?
Snoring.
Oh. ఓకే ఫైన్ బాబు నేనేం అరికత్ చెప్పట్లేదేడా దయచేసి ప్లీజ్ కాన్సంట్రేట్ దిస్ యువర్ లైఫ్ యువర్ స్లీప్ ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఇష్యూ ఓకే ఫైన్ see I'm putting the load onto the application. I'm checking what are the problems is there. All the problems I need to get it first. Then one by one I need to fix it.
Unable to access the lab.
Who?
I think someone is Subhash.
Yes, Mr. How they are asking the controller or what?
They're drawing. They can able to. On screen they are drawing like this.
I'm not given the access to anybody, man. Everybody acting as a host or
See, we
what?
can see Subhash. I saw some Subhash drawing.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Now, whenever putting onto the server onto the load, what are the problems? Suppose different problems will come. What type of problem did you see in your real time? Tell me, anybody. Booking the Flipkart or seeing the results or something else. Busiest
Slow.
site whenever you are browsing.
Slow.
What type? Sorry?
Response
Yeah.
time.
Response time is too high.
Response time is too high. Okay. Next.
It keeps on loading.
Next.
What to say? Internet traffic, like it will be very slow and not able to access to the next page.
Okay. Good. Next.
Sometimes we are using Paytm, that one will show pending like that.
Sorry. Repeat
Yeah,
after.
payment issues.
Whenever we are using PhonePe, sir, sometimes it will show pending like that.
Okay. Next.
Not logging in.
You are not
Technical
able to
problem.
logging in. Okay.
Technical problem.
Tell me the technical problem is what technical problem? What error report did you observe?
Sir, 404 error code.
Yes, super. 404.
Error.
What is
Error.
mean by 404, Tamudu?
Sir,
What is mean by 404?
server error code, sir.
Server code only, that is correct. What is mean by 404?
Page will not.
Yes, page cannot be.
Displayed.
Displayed. Page cannot be displayed.
Okay, next. Anybody, please?
Sometimes like unable to connect to the server, bank server or something.
Okay, unable to connect the server. Okay, next.
Speed, sir.
Speed.
Timed out.
Timed out
Session
error.
timed out.
Session timeout.
Okay, next.
406 error.
406. Super. What is mean by 406, sir?
I don't know exactly, sir, but
You don't
when
know
I got
exactly.
the university result, sometimes it will show me, sir.
406, 408.
Okay, super, sir. Everybody is good. Okay, and that is the type of all the types of error codes will come. Suppose I got the successful message. Everything is successful. Payment is successful. I booked the order. What is the code for that, sir? Hello. Hello.
Successful.
There will be no code as it is
Successful.
already
I got the
successful.
successful message.
Will display the successful message.
Sorry.
Transaction successful. That's it.
It will display the result. The transaction successful.
Super. Are you able to see my desktop?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Sakshi.com.
For example, this went to the web server giving the response successfully, correct? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Super, sir. See, sir, here. Wait. What is it? Expected. F12. See, ma, status codes all are 200 and 300. Did you saw here?
Yes, sir.
Did you saw or not?
Yes, sir.
That means to say, okay, Sakshi.com, correct? I will show you in the response. Okay, what is the status code here?
200.
200.
That means to say
200.
successful pages comes, that is call it as a 200. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Understand, ma?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We have a different HTTP codes are there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. One is 200 is successful, and 200 so many things are there. 202, 203 like that. Okay, we'll discuss later for it. 200 means that is successful. 300 means that is the redirection.
Hello, sir. Ask everyone to mute it. That I will understand.
Already I told so many times. I told. Please, everybody go for mute. Ma, this is online classes, ma. Please be careful. Somebody is not muted, then it will impact for the all the students. Not with control level. Let's see. Okay. Okay, ma, fine. See, 300 means that is the redirection. I will tell you what is redirection. And 400 means that is the 400 and 500 is the page cannot be displayed and server busy, internal server error. Suppose you got the 400, 500, when 400 also so many types are there. In 400, 500 also so many types are there. Different types of errors. Suppose you got the, for example, 200 and what I meant to say, 300, then only successful page. Here, see, most of them is 200. It is or not? That means to say success. That main page is Sakshi.com, correct? These are all are the bitmaps, everything remaining, logos, everything. Here is your response. Server is sending this response. Somebody told what is soap, correct? This is a SOAP request. This is your SOAP request. Server is talking this language only, but you are getting this Pradhana Vartalu, LTV, e-paper, you will get in this all the things, GUI pages. Because of this data only, you are getting this all the GUI pages. It will convert. Okay, ma, this is the developing tool. That is the F12. You can press F12 and navigate the Sakshi.com. Then you will go to the network. You will see all the types of requests here. What is the status of that one also? Okay, ma. See, up to here, do you have any doubts, please? Hello? Anybody, any doubts?
Sir, one query. As
Yes.
like we don't get any server, means like the web page not available. the thing is whenever more load is happen, then we'll get server is unable to give your response like that, right?
Yeah.
So there will be a code assigned to that. Like that, if we give input wrong, like that phone parents, whatever may be, that password, it will come your credentials is not valid. So there will be a code also for that too.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, yes, go ahead, please.
Yeah, like just now you said no, for that server issues, there will be separate codes.
No, ma. Industry standards, they maintain the some HTTP codes. Suppose
Yeah.
this is the, for example, this is the data wise. Suppose you are typing the username and password is incorrect. That is the authorization issue. Correct? They will call it
Okay.
as authorization or not.
Yeah, authorization issue.
Yeah,
Why?
they
Because we are the
they have-
persons who are owned.
Yes, they have an authorization. They have a different code. That is 401 or something else is there. Like that, they have divided into the different codes.
Okay, based on the queries means based on the issues, there will be different codes for the particular issues.
Yes,
Okay.
100% correct.
Okay.
Next. Anybody, any other questions, please? No? Okay. Now, here, my intention is mainly here. You can understand here. Once we can go for the performance testing, we can see what are the problems is there. What are the problems is there? You have identified the 8 or 9 problems. That means to say different problems. My intention is tell me that type of problems did you face. Somebody told 404, 500, server busy, connection timeout. Yes, you are all are correct. You are all are correct. Suppose the same thing, same server, same application, it will go to the production also. Whenever the big billion day comes, end user will impact. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. That is the reason performance testers comes to picture here. Before coming to the big billion day, we need to conduct that many users. You need to ensure I reach my goal without expecting any errors. Suppose errors is there, then they need to fix that type of errors before going to the production. Production, you are not able to understand now. Before going to the big billion day.
Like mock test.
Sorry, like?
Mock test. We conduct mock test before the interview, like.
What he's saying, for example, yeah.
Yeah, kind like that only. But this is not a that type of test. This is a realistic test. Whatever the production load will come, that end user, you are navigating the pages. The same kind of load here, we are replicating here, and we saw the problems. That problems need to fix all the problems. Then also we need to conduct the test for that many users. Everything is smooth. You reached your goal. Here goal means in the software they will call it as a SLA. SLA means service level agreement. Suppose you have conducted the test for the 3 crore or 4 crore users. Each page, what is the response time? Okay, that user continuously is booking the product, all the 4 crore users. That means to say
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Your voice is breaking.
Checking, ma. 1 second, please.
Okay.
Everybody facing the same problem, ma?
Just
No. No,
1
sir.
minute.
No, sir.
No, sir. I have to.
No.
No. We are
I
not
think
facing.
problem is yours only, ma. Please check your connection. Okay, ma.
Okay, sir.
See here. Okay. What type of problems already you told? 500 error, 300, sorry, 400 error, different problems you told. Most of the problems, where it will come? ఇప్పుడు ఒక లారీ ఉంది మా. Suppose you have a lorry. Lorry need to carry 4 tons. That SLA is in 1 hour need to reach 60 kilometers. But in 1 hour it will reach only 30 kilometers. What are the problems, my here?
Low speed.
Heavy load.
Heavy load. That is the normal load, expected load only. My expected load is 4 crores in the Flipkart application. And also I'm expecting load only.
Need to improve speed, like need to improve performance.
How we can improve?
Engine has not the
By-
engine doesn't
by
have the
performance.
capacity.
Okay, engine have you need to increase the speed of the capacity of the engine, correct?
Capacity, yes.
Okay, next. Hello. Next, in game problems. What are the types of problems? Only
Quality.
engine?
Maybe less air in tires.
Hello.
That will also.
We need to check the internal problems apart from engine.
Sorry.
We need to check the internal problem apart from engines.
What is that problem? Tell me internal problem. What is the type of problems?
Suppose engine was good, tires are not good. There is no air in tire like that.
I say air pressure.
Boss, 1 second. I will tell you. In the tires, for example, air is not there. How it will move the vehicle?
Air pressure is.
Hello.
No. Before starting, we need to check. No, that's it.
Okay, fine. Next.
When route is not good.
Route is not good. Okay, good. Next. Super.
Capacity of the engine is not
Sorry.
good. Capacity of the engine is not good.
Yeah, already they told na capacity is not engine is not good. Yeah.
Maybe it is limited speed.
Okay, speed is limited. Okay, fine. Next.
Road condition.
Road already they told. Yeah, road condition. Okay. Next.
Condition of the vehicle.
Condition of the vehicle is not good. Okay, good. Super. Nice. Yeah, so correct, sir. Whatever you told everybody, that is correct. Now, coming to the software, where is the road here?
Users.
No.
Server.
No.
Web server.
No.
Products.
Application. Sorry.
Application.
No.
Program.
No.
Sir, any balancer?
Huh?
Balancer.
Load balancer. No.
Internet.
Yes, correct.
Right.
Hello. Correct. You are correct. Internet. Where is traveling that request? In the internet. Internet speed. Internet speed. Correct. You are good. Next. Where is the engine here?
Engine is server.
Okay. Which server?
Application.
Web server. Okay, super. All the servers, ma. All the servers. Main powerful server is the application server. Powerful engine will be there where? The application server. Is there engine is very powerful? We have 3 engines consider. Okay, powerful engine will be there where
Application.
in application server. That mean to say, what I mean to say here, please listen. Most of the performance problems will come onto the application server. That mean to say, we can go for the percentage. 5 to 10% performance problems will come onto the web server. 60 to 70 problems will come onto the application server. 20 to 30 problems will come onto the database server. That is a ratio of the performance testing problems will occur in the engine here like this. Okay. Now, maybe problem in that network, maybe problem in the servers. Apart that, what is there? Hello.
Internet and
I have covered internet and servers. Apart that,
load number of users if it is more.
sorry.
Load number of users if it is more. That issue comes.
See, boss, 1 second. Number of users are more, okay. Then it will impact on the servers only, correct?
Yeah.
See, already we told the problem is the servers. No, my question is very clear. Performance problems will come like different ways. We discussed 2 ways. Like one is the network, one is the
issue.
servers.
Servers. Okay.
Okay. Suppose I'm putting the expected load. Consider like this. I'm give the example. Try to give me the answer. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I'm doing the expected load only. Okay. Hello.
Sir.
Able to hear? Yeah. I'm doing the expected load only. Expected load only. My SLA is login page SLA is 5 seconds. But I'm getting the 70 to 80 seconds under the load. Under the load. I'm doing the I did the testing for the expected, not unexpected load. This is expected load only. No more load. My goal is, this is the expected load. I need to achieve the 5 seconds of response time for the login page, average response time. You know what is meant by average, correct? How to calculate the average?
Yeah.
In 1 hour, you hit the, for example, 1 lakh times. Okay. The 1 lakh response times will come, all sum divided by 1 lakh. Correct? Yes or no? That is called as the average. My average response time is now 70 to 80 seconds. That means to say I crossed the SLA, my SLA. That means to say I have bottleneck. I have bug in my application. Yes? That is a problem. This problem, because of what impact this problem is came? ఏం ఇంపాక్ట్ వల్ల ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చిందంటారు?
అదే లోడ్ ఎక్కువ, మోర్ లోడ్ అండ్
ఇప్పుడే కదా బాసు నేను చెప్తున్నాను, లోడ్ ఎక్కువ అంటున్నాను. నేను ఏం చెప్పాను? ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏం చెప్పాను? ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ లోడ్.
Expected load is more.
ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ లోడ్ తోనే నాకు రావాలి, లాగిన్ అనేది రావాలి. లోడ్ మోర్ లేదు.
క్రియేటింగ్ లో ప్రాబ్లం సార్.
సరే,
వాళ్ళు డిజైన్ చేసిన వెబ్సైట్ క్రియేటింగ్ లో ప్రాబ్లం.
కరెక్టే, నువ్వు కరెక్టే బాబు. చెప్పు నాయన, కొద్దిగా ఎలాబరేట్ చేయి. నువ్వు కరెక్టే
సార్. వాళ్ళు ఏదైతే కోడింగ్ ఇస్తారో,
ప్రాబ్లం ఇస్ దట్ కోడింగ్. Problem where? Coding. Application itself. Application itself. See, we have 3 types of problems whenever do the performance test. One problem maybe in the servers. Next is the network. Next is the application itself, coding itself. These most of the problems will come under these three areas only. Whenever you got the problem, suppose you got the 70 seconds of response time. Yes. Then how we can resolve that problem? We need to identify where exactly the problem. As a performance test engineer, you are the responsible person to report the results. Where exactly the problem is causing of servers, is causing of code, is causing of network, or is causing of browser or something else. You need to identify and you need to report to the client. You will not able to fix it. You are not a developer to fix it. Somebody will fix. But as a performance tester, we need to identify the problem. Where exactly it is. It's in the suppose the server, sorry, its server, it's the web server, or its application server, or its database server. Suppose the problem. How we can identify? Whenever you go for the monitoring the servers. Baba, I'll give the simple example. Leave it the servers. Suppose you got the fever. You went for the hospital. Then they given the paracetamol or course or something else. Still now, next day also you got the fever. You're not able to overcome for that. Then what is the next step? We'll go for the blood checkup and we can see. Injection also you did, it's not recovered. Then
Checkups.
go for the blood checkup, correct?
Blood checkup.
Yeah. Blood checkup also you did. Still no. Then I get general question. Is a performance testing question. Hello. Next change also.
They will give antibiotic.
Antibiotic good ichar tagala.
They will perform all the tests.
They will perform all the tests. You need to join to the hospital.
Join to the
That means to
hospital.
say they will monitor to you 24/7.
Yes.
Yes. Then only they will identify what is the problem. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Without monitoring, they will give the medicine for you.
No, sir.
No.
That means to say here also I'm telling clearly here. Whenever you conduct the performance testings, you need to monitor the engine. What is the engine here?
All the
All the
servers.
servers.
The servers.
Need to monitor where exactly the problem need to identify. Without monitoring, it's not possible to do it. Did you understand, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, super, ma. Okay. Up to here, do you have any questions, please? Hello. Any questions? No? Okay, I will give some questions. Please note down it and give me the answers tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Note down the questions, please. What is performance testing? What is the difference between two-tier and three-tier architecture? Next thing is, what is the difference between get and post? Get and post request.
GET, sir.
GET, get, POST, post. Next thing is
Yes, sir. Fourth question.
yeah, performance testing life cycle. Performance testing life cycle.
Why is
Next is, what is the difference between request and response? Request and response. Next. Popular operating systems in the market. Popular operating systems. Next. Popular web app DB servers. Popular web app DB servers. Next, last question. What is the advantage of performance testing? What is the advantage of performance testing? That's it, ma'am. Today's class. Do you have any doubts? Please let me know.
Sir, can you repeat the question, last question?
Advantage of performance testing.
So, on the previous question, popular web app are
Web app and DB servers.
BP.
DB database.
Okay. Thank you.
Any doubts, please?
Please do repeat.